Hello everyone and welcome to an update video for the price prediction for Doge coins. This is my first video for Doge coin and I'm going a little bit in a deep analysis inside the daily chart, okay, to see a little bit the history of Doge coin, what it did and what it's aiming for. So what we can see here already in Doge, we see that I'm gonna remove some, this one is for the daily. Here we go, sorry. Right, so what we see inside the Doge in the daily chart, we see, of course, there is some history here, but it's kind of like, not so reliable for analysis. So all what I need is a point where I can catch a impulse, for example, clear impulse in it, and I can start from it, which is this point here, exactly this start. So starting from that point, which is in March 2020, we can see clearly an impulse of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These 5 ways are very clear for Doge coin, which it has reached almost to the all-time high, which is at 0.76 cent. Very nice. Next, we saw an impulse down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for as an impulse, right? And after that impulse, we saw an A, B, and a C. Okay, in this ABC, we can see also the C has 5 waves towards the upside and finishing the wave at C. However, all of that can be considered as A, B, and C as well. It could be, all right? That could be. In that case, we have also our other option, which is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I'm expecting next is after an ABC, I think I'm expecting, to be honest here, if that is, of course, there is 2 scenarios. One is a downtrend, like bearish, and one is upside trend. So if that is the case for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, so what I'm expecting here, a scenario as a bullish scenario, okay, as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, towards the upside. And we want to reach, actually, I think even if we look at the retracement that Doge coin already did, okay, so far, taking the 5th level from the start of the impulse till the wave 5, we can see exactly that we have reached the perfect zone for a wave 2, okay? A perfect zone for a wave 2. So what we are expecting in this scenario, whether it wants to be bullish and to continue to the upside, it might range a little bit here more for a second one too, okay, and then move up, right? In that case, we are bullish, right? But of course, there is also another possibility, which it can be bearish, right? Where we can see clearly. So I'm gonna put this already in one scenario, which is a bullish scenario. What we can see also is a bearish scenario, okay, where we can see a 1, 2, 1, 2 continuation with a impulse towards the downside. For the orange count here, we can see a wave 3 can unfold 4, 5, finishing the wave 3 of the red impulse, then another 4 and 5. And in that way, if that happens, we can consider that all of that here, from this finishing this impulse there, is one zigzag A, B, and C. Okay, so if that is the case, which has the highest possibility, to be honest, for Doge coin. Okay, so those are the 2 scenarios that are very clear for Doge coin. Of course, the possibility now tends to be much more for the bearish scenario. we can see clearly we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for A1, then ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 1 again in orange, and also ABC. And unfortunately, a smaller 1, 2 is unfolding, which it can be the 1, 2 of a 3, 4, 5 scenario. Alright, so that's why this has much higher possibility now rather than the bullish one, which is it is a 1 and 2. Okay, finishing here also an influence. By the way, this has also a little bit lower possibility because and let me put this one in the bearish. This one has less possibility. Why also? Because, okay, we see impulse here, but you cannot really just say, okay, impulse and then impulse, right? So, okay, it can be, but it should be maybe labeled much more as A, okay? And if that is an A, then this is a B, all right? And then a C downside, and it brings us back to the bearish scenario. However, everything is possible, okay? Even if there is impulse after the bigger impulse, then ABC, then impulse towards the upside, and having a 2. So this is also a scenario here. We see 5 clear waves, and so far this can be called, okay, 3 waves down, but once we reject here, okay, you can make sure that this scenario is not valid anymore, okay? A bullish scenario cannot be. So this is your invalidation here. If the price touch only this fib level at 0.1, let's say 0.1, okay, cents, at 10 cents, then okay, Dogecoin is bearish, all right? So that was an update for I mean, it's not update actually, so this is the first video for Dogecoin, but we're gonna have more updates. So I hope that you like it. If you did, please press the like button, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.